Hey everyone, I'm Macey Cowley, and if you're joining me for the first time, we're going through yoga tonight. So I just finished a HIIT workout, so this is my cool down. If you did my previous HIIT workout, you're welcome to join me for my cool down. If you just want to do some yoga, join me for this yoga class. I wouldn't call it a class. I'm not a yoga instructor. I'm still learning yoga, but it's something that I really enjoy, and it allows me to relax and meditate. And what I mean by meditate is just cool my brain down. When I'm doing yoga, I can focus on me and myself, which, being a mom of a 6-month-old with a husband who works, I'm always focusing on them. But during yoga and my workouts, it gives me a chance to meditate on myself and practice living in the moment or mindfulness. So tonight we're going to just go over some poses. I'm still learning them. I'm not the greatest at them, but you know what? These are poses that you can do with your baby, laying down on the floor, holding your baby. You can do it over them if they want to lay right underneath you. These are simple, easy poses, and they're some of the basic yoga poses that I enjoy. So really fast, we're going to go over a chair pose, warrior 1, warrior 2. We're going to do child's pose, cobra. We're going to do a cat and cow to help release the lower back and really just your entire spine. And then we're going to go over downward dog. Okay, I'm gonna go through flow. My baby's sleeping in the wall behind me, so I'm not gonna be super loud. With my HIIT workout, I was kind of a little too loud and he started waking up. So I'm gonna quiet it down, and I'll throw in what I'm doing on the video in editing, which all I'm really gonna do in editing is throw in words, because let's be honest, I'm just gonna do one take. Okay, you guys are awesome. This is probably gonna be about 10 minutes. Like I said, I'm still learning yoga and I'm still getting the flow down. You're gonna see me making mistakes. The important thing about yoga is remembering to breathe. You wanna breathe in, you breathe in all that goodness and hope and joy in life, and then you wanna release. Breathe out all of the bad things that happened during that day, all of your bad thoughts towards yourself. Anything that is frustrating you, you want to breathe that out with a deep breath. It's going to sound like this. I want to say it's a Uijai. Like I said, I'm still learning yoga. I'm going to pronounce everything wrong, but that's the deep breathing that you do in yoga. And when you think about breathing in the good and breathing out the bad, it helps you remember that you are only human and you are here on earth to do the very best that you can do. So let's get started. We're going to swan dive down. Turn sideways so you guys can see me. We're going to go into our chair pose. Now you can have your feet close together, far apart. If you're pregnant and you can't, I remember when I was doing yoga and I was pregnant, my feet could only be like this far apart in order for me to bend down. Now, 6 months later, I can have my feet close together. I'm still working on getting that full flexibility back, but you do what works for you and your body. So we're going into chair pose. You don't have to sit as low as me. Maybe you're starting up here because this is your first time, but we're going to do this a couple times. So, and release. The second time around, go a little lower. Thanks for joining me, guys. Make sure to tune into my other videos, and I guarantee you there's more that's going to be coming along the way. See ya.